Hi guys, Dr. Jagu here. I hope you enjoying your coding thus far. I thought I'll share a few hints with you to assist you with some of the papers that you are currently attempting. The first hint that I will share with you is to give you a good understanding of the DIV and MOD, which is required in some of the papers. The DIV, you need to understand, is used to perform integer division. And it gives the answer as an integer. Whatever remainder there may be, the remainder is dropped off. Mod, on the other hand, performs division, but it gives you the remainder of the division. So div performs the integer division, and mod gives you the remainder of that division. Let's look at some examples. If you take 10 div 3, if you punch this into a calculator, the answer will be 3 point and some fractional part. But in using div, we ask ourselves, how many times can 3 go into 10? 3 can go into 10 3 times. So that is the integer division that is done. But how many is left over after the division? So 3 can go into 10 3 times, and the remainder is 1. So 10 mod 3 in this case will give us 1, which is the remainder of the division. In the second example, let's look at 12 div 6. 6 can go into 12 2 times. How many left over? Well, the remainder in this case is 0. So the mod will return a value of 0. That's essentially how div and mod work. Now let's look at an example. Let's assume I've got a total of 65 seconds, and my task is to convert the 65 seconds into minutes and seconds. So we know that 65 seconds, that's made up of 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. And there is now a remainder of 5 seconds. Well, using the operators that we just discussed, div and mod, this can easily be solved. So if I take 65 and I div that by 60, because 60 seconds make up a minute. So if I div that by 60, I will get my 1 minute. So that tells me the total number of minutes. And then to get the remainder, I can take 65, and if I mod that by 60, I'll get the remainder of 5 seconds. So the key here was knowing what number to divide by.